Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use boosts in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right here you're going to find the Live Pass, Live Today, Leaks, Limited Time Events, Showdown, and lastly campaigns. And here in the bottom, you're going to find my team, auctions, achievements, objectives, and lastly sets. Go ahead and click on my team. And once you click on my team, you're going to be right here in my lineups. Basically guys, right here, you're going to find all of your of the players that you have. And in the bottom left corner, you're going to find your jerseys. As you can see guys, I have the Lakers jerseys. For example, if you want to switch any player, you can just click on the player, and right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're gonna find some players that are available to change with this one. Go ahead and drag the player like this, hold it, and then you can drag it to the other player, and then you will be able to swap the player. For example, if you click on any player, for example Davis, right here, you're going to find next to it all of the informations related to that player, like athleticism, inside scrolling, rebounding, and so on. And if you want to use a boost, just right here in the top, you're going to find view all items. Firstly, you're going to find players, and right here, you're going to find the boost items. So as you can see, guys, I don't have any boost items. But if you have any boost item, you're going to find it right here. All you need to do is click on it and then click on use. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.